I like it. I love Smart Learning Suite. It's different, but I will tell people that it is a little time consuming to set up. It's just like a Nearpod or a Pear Deck. I'm just waiting for it to set up. But you can either upload a PowerPoint or you can create a PowerPoint type lesson in here, and you can insert YouTube videos. You can put games in here, etc. So if you see here, they say you can import a resource, okay, and then they have games, they have responses, the whole class, but formative assessments. You can do multiple checks for understanding here. All kind of things you can have. You see here we have activating prior knowledge, questioning, and reflection. So maybe I'll just import a PowerPoint from my device because I've been working on some AP stuff. So I can probably find one in here that we can use real fast. So we'll use this one. So now it's being set up. Now, the only thing is when you go to run this, you will not find this. Like if you come back in here and try to run this, try to get it, it's not there. You have to go through your drive and actually get the whole lesson from your Google Drive. So now it's uploading this presentation that I picked. And also a smart board. It's just like the others, like Parent Deck and Nearpod. You have to give the class a code in order for them and a website in order for them to actually do the lesson. You can also set this up in self-paced mode. So I know education is moving towards student-led classrooms. Students can come in, get the code, sit down, do the work. It's taking a minute for it to upload though. I wonder what's taking so long. Oh, excuse me. Okay, let me hear. So I've been teaching the class on, well, if you guys don't know, I also teach courses on OutSchool. So I do freelance teaching and I actually teach for the school system too. So this is one of the books that I like is Pearson. So I use Pearson to teach chemistry class. So here's Pearson. Here's the PowerPoint that we're going to use on atoms, atomic number. And this is section 4.3. So let's get started. So all we have to do here, let me move this from right here, is, okay, now say we want to put in, well, this is a check for understanding. A lot of times if I see this, I put that essential question. Oh, that came out messed up up here. I'm going to have to fix that. But so this is the essential question. So I will take that same question. And we'll do a response. How about that? So you can either do multiple choice, true, false, multiple answers, pose short answers. So I will do a short answer question. So what did the content say? What makes one atom of an element different from another? I'm just making it up. Then you just put your answers here. And then you add the question. So I'm just going to put la, 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 add question, next. Done. So when they get to that point, it'll be sitting right there and all the kids have to do is answer it. That's it. So now, let's see what else we can do. I'm just putting some things in here. Now we hit the plus sign again. Shout it out. So whole class activity great for generating ideas. Let's see what we have here. Student contributions arrive randomly, but they're placed randomly in activity. So this is pretty much like the Jamboard or Post-it or Quizlet. So then they have category 1s and 2s. So I might put atomic structure and atomic theory, And then what? Atomic theory. Okay, 3 max per student, so they can contribute at least 3 times. So now let's finish that. So now we have 1, 2 boards, and they have all I have to do is when they get to that point, they just answer the question or contribute to whatever I said. So next, I'm not placing these too strategically in here. They have game-based activities. I just want to at least do 1 or 2 with you guys. So they have a game show, match them up, monster quiz, speed up, etc., team quiz, super sort. I love super sort. I did super sort with chemical and physical changes, label reveal, memory match, etc. So let's see what flip it out is. Now, the only thing I don't like about these games, see, it takes up a lot of time. So I'm just making up some stuff. Electron, and then you might want to add an image, and then what? Negative charge, and then proton, positive charge. Next, so now you pick out what little theme you want. It kind of look like Uno card, so we're gonna have. I'm gonna do space. So now you can preview this. See how it looks, and see, flip it out. I think it's adorable. All right, hit the X to go out. So let's find something else. So they have some ready-made activities. So look at the activating prior in my knowledge. So we have the KWLQ chart, want to know learning question. And then what do you want to know about the topic? Is the statement true or false? Interest ticket or warm up? And then what? Draw what you know about a topic. I love sketch notes. So I'll probably ask them, hey, look, now that we're going to do all this information, draw it out. Tell me what you know. And I'll add like about a nano. Here's a preview. So this is what they see. So it's up to them. They can use a pen, a finger pen. This is the eraser, and draw it out. Just exactly as they said, draw it out. And let's see what else we have here that we can try for you guys. Question and reflection. So now you have plus, minus, interesting. Have student examine topic by looking at the pulses, or do you agree or disagree? 3, 2, 1 countdown, which is used to be one of my favorite exits for the day, but they kind of shut that one down on me. Share 3 things you learned, which is okay. A minute paper, but these are all can be used as exit tickets. So I'll do that one and see. Let's see what we got. I learned, and then what? I wonder or have questions about. I like this. This is cute. And a lot of times I take those I wonders, I have question about, those segments there, and I make them actually do the research. We may have a Wonder Wednesday that day, or that Wonder Wednesday where you take those questions that you wondered or want to know about, and you do the research, and we keep it in a digital notebook. So I think that's cool too. And that's an exit. So we through with that, and that is it. So let's see something here. So we can click on finish editing. This is it. I'm trying to see, you gotta remember. So now that's some pacing. So this pacing, if you want it in my mode, I control it with this. I control this. So if it's like Nearpod or Parent Deck, you go from slide to slide and I control it. Or student, and go in student pace mode, and then who controls it? The student controls it. But the only bad thing about it is, I think with certain activities, the teacher have to control. And that's it. So now here's the class ID. So this is where you would make them go. You can project it on the screen, similar to Parent Deck, hellosmart.com, and enter that class ID number. And I'm trying to see these where you can preview these things, but I can't remember how. But I do try to, if I ever use this, I try to preview all the slides that I enter, wherever they say preview at. A lot of times too, I'll go in and I'll go in and from the student's perspective, and then I will sign in using that code, and then I'll look it all the way through. Okay, so this is Ms. Williams, Neil Williams with Moses Them Inc., and you guys have a good day.